Shri Bhagwati, manufacturing customized, shrink sleeve applicator with heating tunnel. A shrink sleeve applicator with a heating tunnel is a machine used in packaging operations to apply shrink sleeves onto various products such as bottles, cans, jars, and containers. Here's how the process typically works. Sleeve application. The shrink sleeve applicator first feeds sleeves from a roll or stack and applies them to the product. This can be done manually or automatically, depending on the specific machine design and the production requirements. Heating tunnel. After the sleeve is applied, the product passes through a heating tunnel. The tunnel typically uses a combination of heat and air flow to shrink the sleeve tightly around the product. Shrink process. As the product moves through the tunnel, the heat causes the shrink sleeve material to shrink and conform to the contours of the product's shape. The airflow in the tunnel helps distribute the heat evenly and ensures uniform shrinkage. These machines are commonly used in industries such as food and beverage, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and household products to enhance product aesthetics, provide tamper-evident seals, and offer branding opportunities through full-body labeling. The efficiency and effectiveness of the shrink sleeve applicator with a heating tunnel make it a popular choice for packaging operations with high throughput requirements. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.